The Nyothrab Integrated Territorial Organization (HITO) had celebrated its first Foundation Day on the 6th of April 2022. Acting CM of Himamalayam Ainam Manik Same graced the occasion as chief guest. Those present during the event included Mantri of Himamalayam S. Sotun, President of the Shillong Press Club David O. Laiplang, General Secretary of the Shillong Press Club Powell Soklet, besides others. While conveying his best wishes to HITO on its first Foundation Day celebration, Ainam Manik Same expressed his desire for the organization to live up to its motto of freedom, justice and service, and also assured the members of the support of the Darbar Himamalayam to the organization in its endeavor towards the welfare and well-being of the indigenous people of the state.
Kapal ai ya kajing syakri syaki paro chaki parador parasnam jungi patkam tamme ya kajat penrio jongi borok kowe katkum ka mutu jong kaseng jongpi ka boong ka freedom justice but service ngangit scam bana kaliang jongpi pen ya pendan kam ho ya kan ni kentien kumba pilak le asni kabala sedang banseng ya kan ni ka HITO dia nak kaliang jonga ngan nom sim ya ka por ngasu ai ka jing kuble jing ket bok ke riang ya ka sang HITO kaban yai kieu nak ka por syakapor nak kaliang jongi ngia dan lang senda na don hanu ko ki program ka phero na kaliang jungi ke hima ikat bala man genjo
kijinge ki babi nambar kijinge don bo jong ki bri ki ba kraus ba ye ki bri ki batum kijing sale ben je ki pai ba senang kadang ye beteng te kijing sok to gari ba jai pandi jungi kanam ko no tang je ye kan je sok je ka channel si ngana kan saya ke dia pakai jinge kendang pun nama terkadang makhot ikin dong yalam jo keseng itu yang mau hidup kita ki rangba yang mau hidup kita ki samla ki banlong indong yada ya kari baga jai riu ka jogi ban abang yada ya kari baga jai riu kamle pan bangin pai bakol nan radu ke jumen to shimet yanori kadang kecing keno bagi dan kiseng balang kiba khanglat kiba kami kinong bala barjala manla kasni ndai dapat kinong ilam seng balang kiba napo kiwan ra kinong bala barjala ban perlong iki kum chip leba ngani kinong trai bala kiba taddo